The details, it's not easy, man. It's not easy. Hello people on the internet, and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a 魔道祖师 inspired makeup, and if you don't know what 魔道祖师is a Chinese novel, but there's a drama called 陈情令 acted by 𝑴𝑐𝑹𝑬 and 王一博. If you don't know who they are, you can just search it up, or I put the pictures here, reference around somewhere. Yes, and today we're doing the makeup inspired by that drama and that novel. The main thing is there's 4 clans in the story, so we're doing one of the clans inspired makeup, and one of the clan name is 𝑽𝑰𝑩𝑺𝑰𝑩𝑬 clan. I'll put a picture here. The clan is located in like this lake kind of area with a lot of lotus, and their set color is purple, so that's what we're going with. Also, I want to talk about my channel a little bit because I've just reached 200 subscribers. Yay! And I haven't been uploading a little bit, I guess a month or so, and now I'm back. Yes, thank you for 200 subscribers. I know 200 subscribers isn't a lot, but I really just feel very happy doing makeup, and I hope you continue to support me, and thank you! And if you're new watching this video and like makeup, definitely subscribe. I do a lot of artistic makeup, that's kind of the category here, and you're welcome to join. Yay! I don't know what to say, but thank you for 200 subscribers. I like making videos, it's fun, I like doing makeup, so keep watching. Thank you. I'm kind of sweating here, but we're going to start by putting on the base, which is primer and foundation, and concealer and everything else, so
1, 2,
time
3,
lapse.
funk it.
Brows are done, contour. We're going to start doing the makeup. So first, we're going to put light blue blush. The blue blush is kind of like the water. So obviously we're going to use the James Charles palette because that's all I have. We're going to use the shade Hello. It's more like a highlight than a blush. You know what? Yes, I'll make it into a highlight. Now we're going to move on to the eyes. First, we are going to use the shade Single. Put it on the lid. We're going to add a little bit of the light pink shade, Pinkity Drinkity. We're going to add the shade Escape to make it a little bit darker because I don't think the purple is dark enough. Now we're going to do a cut crease right here, just a little bit at the corner. This kind of pointed brush. We're putting on some concealer. I know I should have clipped my hair up a long time ago, but you know, when I clip my hair up, it will stay that way and it will ruin the whole makeup. Even though I've done really well on my face, my hair will look like a mess, so I don't really like it. Now we're going to add a shimmer shade artistry. Now add the shade Ring Light to the corner of the eye. Okay, so I've done both sides. And now I'm going to draw the liner. There's a bird outside. Anyways, so we're going to draw liner, and exciting thing is I bought a new gel liner from Etude House. It's pretty affordable. I've never used a gel liner before, but it looks better than using a liquid liner because it dries so fast. My old liquid liner dries so fast. It was just so shitty to use. Yes. It comes with a brush I've already tried out. Here's the brush. It's really cute. It's so small. So now we're going to draw a wing liner on our eyes for this makeup. Okay, I've drawn my liner. It's kind of bold. But we're going to continue. I printed out this logo. So we're going to cut this. We're going to cut the black sides out. And we're going to stamp it on the forehead. So it turned out okay. I mean, it looks okay from far. I'm not really sure because I can't see well, but the shape is there, definitely. But the details, it's not easy, man. It's not easy. I'm going to touch that up later. Now I want to draw lotus flowers here, around here.
Funky.
So I think it looks nice. I drew 2 lotus flowers and it kind of looks good, like what I imagined in my head. I just don't really like this part. The details are hard to draw on, and I only cut out the stencil because I realized it's not easy to cut the pattern, so I don't want to risk it and destroy my only stencil, so I only use this. I still have to put on mascara and lashes and lipstick. So first we're going to do lipstick. Now we're going to put on lashes. So this is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Subscribe and turn on bell notifications, like the video if you like the makeup, and definitely follow me on Instagram, link in description.